Hey guys, welcome back to Crazy Tech Tricks. In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete downloaded and pending updates in Windows 11. So let's get started. Go to PC. Now click on local disk C. You have to open your C drive. Now search for Windows. As you can see here, go to your Windows folder. Now search for, scroll down. Now you have to search for this software distribution. As you can see here, software distribution. Click on it. Now go to download. Click on it. Now these are the all pending downloads. You have to delete them all. Press Ctrl plus O, or you can select them by manually. Now go and tap on delete. So it will delete all your pending updates in the Windows 11. I hope you guys like it. Thanks for watching. Give it a like and subscribe button. See you in next video.